Welcome back. I hope you are all doing well. This week I wanted to show you how to make your own really nice dark burgundy lip balm. I am wearing it right now and it's made with just a few ingredients. I'm using castor oil as the base, beeswax, and then color. I've also used, to make it a little bit darker, activated charcoal. So it's that really black powder. And it worked really well. It dissolved nicely. It's not like gritty or anything. And it's really nice. So stick around and we will make this right now. Enjoyed the recipe. It makes a quantity of 1. Right here you can always make more by increasing your batch size, but I always like to try 1 at a time, see how it goes, and share that with you guys. So that is that. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. I'll do a little swatch test. So that is the pretty swatch. You can see it on my lips, you can see it here. It's very nice. A little hair here. And so yeah, let me know how you guys like it in the comments below. Pretty, and I will see you guys in the next video.